Hello friends, welcome to Neela Studio. In today's video, I am going to show you how to cut continuous bias tape for your project. I will be making a cord binding tape for making the pajama set. After this video, I will be showing you pajama set for 6 to 7-year-old girl. I have taken 44 inches width fabric with 14 inches height. I am making a long bias tape as I will be using this for many other projects of mine. Cut out a triangle like this at one side. Then you attach it to the other side like this. Draw 0.5 mm seam allowance on top and bottom for attaching. Draw 1 inch width lines throughout like this. You can start from any side till you finish continuously like this throughout. Lines what we have drawn is on the wrong side, so let's connect both the wrong side of the fabric to meet the lines like this. So first line we will have to leave. We are not going to connect the first line. We will be connecting the second line to the first below line like this. Let me show you how to connect the lines and pin it up on this paper. You can take any width of fabric you need for your project. Taken 44 inches width of fabric with 14 inches height. Then you fold on one corner like this and make a triangle and cut it out. Now keep it on the other side to make a parallelogram shape. Now you attach in the machine here. I will be marking 1 inch width for bias tape as I am going to use this cord for cord piping for the night set which I am making. So I am going to mark 1 inch throughout the parallelogram cut fabric. This is the wrong side, so we will turn it so that we will meet both the sides of the wrong side like this. Now draw 0.5 mm line on the top and the bottom. This is going to be the seam allowance. Now connect the second row from the top to the first row at bottom. Let us see how to pin connecting both the lines now. First pinning is very important. If that is correctly pinned, then the other lines will automatically follow in its place. So, to pin it in the midpoint of both the lines like this, and again at the bottom midpoint also like this connecting, then you will have both the lines connecting perfectly. Keep on connecting continuously till you meet the other end. connecting the lines, you will be cutting it from the first line like a spiral. Now take it to the machine and join the side seam which we have marked. See how the lines have been connected perfectly. Step is to cut out the bias tape from the first starting point till the end. We have stitched them, it becomes like a tube. So you can put your hand inside and then cut it like this. I got 12 meters of bias tape. I will be using this zipper foot for making the rope piping. This zipper foot is the best for making rope piping. It comes out very neatly. Zipper foot, you have two holes, one on the left and the right side. I have kept the cord going inside the right hole of this foot like a tunnel, and it will be stitched so closely to the thread along with that fabric, so you will get very neat finish. Make sure that the needle is positioned to go exactly in the center of this foot. This rope piping is also very ideal for stitching gold fabric piping for saree blouses. Hope you like this video of mine and it will be of good use to you all. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like. Thank you and happy sewing.